Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to run TikTok ads in this full tutorial for TikTok Shop Affiliate in 2025. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to get into the TikTok Shop Affiliate program and start earning an extra side income. You might have seen YouTube videos or Instagram posts talking about how much some people are making, and it really is true, guys. Right now I'm making around like $3,000 per month from TikTok Shop, and I really don't spend all too much time on it. Now with my account, I was able to grow it from scratch using TikTok ads in order to get 5,000 followers, which is one of the requirements to get into the TikTok Shop Affiliate program. So if you're looking to learn how to do this, do click on the link down below in the description to follow along with me as I show you how to run TikTok ads to get followers. Now let's first hop into our screen here, and this is the home page of TikTok's Ads Manager. So you're just going to click on Get Started and sign up for an account, or you can scroll down and enter your email and password and create an account that way also. Once you do that, it's going to ask you for your business name, industry, country or region, currency, time zone, and mobile phone number. You just fill this out to the best of your ability. If you don't have a business name, then just insert your name and then click on continue. Now, once you've signed up for an actual account, this is what the homepage or dashboard of your TikTok Ads Manager account is going to look like. So what we're going to do is that we're going to click on this button here that says create ad. And then for this here, you need to choose your advertising objective. So click on the toggle menu that says show all, and then click on community interaction. Notice how with community interaction, the objective of this is to get more people to follow your TikTok account. Now for your campaign name, you can just insert whatever campaign name you want. I usually name my campaign names based on what my video is about. So I've ran TikTok ads to get followers where the video was about a potato, an eggplant, wooden wall slats, skeletons, and even golf balls. So just name your campaign whichever you want. And then under where it says campaign budget optimization, you want to make sure that this is toggled on. So what this does is that it automatically optimizes your budget allocation, meaning that if you have multiple ad groups running for your campaign, it's going to spend more money on the better optimized ad, meaning that the ad which is saving you more money or performing better. So for the daily budget, I usually set this to 80 US dollars. And so what this means is that you'll spend up to $100 on some days, but then on other days you might spend around like 60 US dollars. So this doesn't mean that you're guaranteed to spend 80 US dollars every single day, but my recommendation is that you keep a close eye on your ad spend so that you can turn ads off which are costing you money and then keep the ads that are more efficient going. So 80 US dollars is usually what I send it to, and then click on continue. So next on this page here, you just need to give your ad group a name. So for our example, I recommend that you have 2 TikTok videos ready posted. And then for each of those TikTok videos, we're going to duplicate it 3 times so that we have a total of 6 ad groups. So with the ad group names, I would just name it 1 through 6. Now everything else here as far as targeting goes, this is all just going to remain the same just because we're just only after followers. We don't care if they're 18 to 24, and we don't care if they're 55 plus. So everything here should remain the same. And then under budget and schedule, this set start time and run ad group continuously. I usually set this to midnight. Okay, so today's January 4th. I'll set it to the 5th. And then I'll change this to midnight at 0000. And then for bidding and optimization, you want to make sure that this is set to optimization go follow and that the bid strategy is maximum delivery. And then click on continue. So next on this page here, this is where you're going to acquire the TikTok post which you want to run ads for. So if you haven't already posted those 2 TikTok videos, now would be a good time to do that. But next what you want to do is that you want to click on post authorized by account. And if you haven't connected your TikTok account just yet, you can connect it now. Click on authorize TikTok post. And then this is where you're going to enter your TikTok post code and preview the post. And I'll show you how to do that by hopping onto my phone. So you're going to hop onto your TikTok account and then click on profile and then find the TikTok post which you want to get the TikTok post code from. So we're just going to use this video as an example. Next, you're going to click on the 3 dots on the right hand side. And then on the 3rd row of icons, you want to scroll all the way to the right until you see the button that says Add Settings. So click on Add Settings, and then here you're going to see Add Authorization. Make sure that this is toggled on, and then select the available period. I usually set this to 365 days. and then scroll down to where it says video code and then click on generate. So you'll see that the video code is pending. If you click on save, the video code will be ready now. So just click on manage and then copy the code and then paste that code onto your screen here. So for our example purposes, we're just going to copy and paste the code here and then click on search. And then you should see your TikTok post appear as a preview on this right hand side and then click on confirm. Now go ahead and scroll down to where it says ad format and make sure that this is a single video and then click on plus TikTok post. And then here is where you're going to see your post that you just added via ad code. So you might see a few different videos here depending on how many ads that you've added to your TikTok manager account. But find the post that you just added, check mark it, and then click on continue. And then go ahead and scroll down. Make sure that this box is checked, where by checking this box, you confirm that you have the right to use the music in this ad for commercial purposes. And then click on publish all. So with that, let's go ahead and hop onto our campaign dashboard and let me explain to you what to look out for when it comes to running TikTok ads. So on this page here, you're going to see the name of the campaign that you just created. Now its status might differ just because it's going to take around like 3 to 6 hours sometimes. It might say pending or in review, but after that, it should say active. Now, if we actually click into this campaign here, you'll see that I have 6 example ad groups created. So as I mentioned before, you want to create 2 videos and run ads for both those videos and then create 3 different ad groups. So the way to do that is that you're just going to click on this copy button on the ad group which you want to duplicate and do the same thing that we discussed before. Next, you want to go ahead and scroll to the right and then look for the column that says CPM. So the way that I do it is that you can see that this ad group here is $6 CPM and this ad group here is $63 CPM. That means that I'm spending $6 per 1,000 views, whereas with this one here, I'm spending $63 per 1,000 views. So I would turn this ad off, which is exactly what I did. So I would just toggle it on and off to turn it on and off. Now, another way that you can do it is that you can scroll to the right and you can also look at your cost per result. So you can see that for the first ad group that's running, I'm paying about 8 cents per follow. But for this ad group that I'm running, I'm paying 44 cents per follow, which is a huge difference. So again, you would turn off this ad group over here. Now, my recommendation is that you try to get your CPM to be lower than $6 and you try to get your cost per result to be less than 6 cents a follow. But even so, if you have the budget, TikTok Shop Affiliate, you'll end up making a lot of money back with it anyway. So it'll pay for itself, even if you go slightly higher than my recommended budget. Now, as far as the actual video that I recommend you post, as I mentioned before, 2 videos should be running you should be running ads towards, and those 2 videos would be around like 6 to 12 seconds. And then at the end of those videos, you want to make sure that you have a call to action. So usually my call to action is something like follow to see what happens next, or follow to see what part 2 is, or follow to see more. A call to action within your video definitely does help with conversions. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and run TikTok ads. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually learn how to do this, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to rewatch this video and follow along with me, do click on the link down below in the description so that you can follow along. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.